Is your Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S10 losing its suction power? It is probably time to check your consumables. In this quick video, I will show you exactly how to check the lifespan of your brushes and filters and how to reset them when you buy new ones. Let's dive in. First, open the Mi Home app on your phone. Tap on your Xiaomi S10 vacuum from your device list. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen. Tap those three little dots to open your settings menu. Now, scroll down until you see Consumables. Tap that. Boom! Right here, you can see the exact remaining life percentage for your main brush, side brush, filter, and mop pad. Now, what happens when you actually change a part? The vacuum does not know you put a new one in automatically. You have to tell it. Go back into that same Consumables menu. Tap on the specific part you just replaced. Let's say it is the filter. Then just hit the reset button at the bottom of the screen. This resets the timer back to 100%, so your tracking stays completely accurate. You can find official replacements directly on the Xiaomi portal. And that is it. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, smash subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.